Ginninderry is a 1,600 hectare joint venture residential development out here in West Belconnen. The Spark Training and Employment Initiative was established by the joint venture to deliver unique training opportunities. Social inclusion is extremely important, and Ginninderry is committed to focusing on improving the educational, social and economic outcomes of residents across the capital region.
This semester I'll be teaching operate specialised machinery and equipment and undertake water sampling. We've been looking at the Ginninderry catchment, so we've been going up and down Ginninderry Creek a little bit. We've done sampling here on site at Bruce campus. We've also been doing Sullivan's Creek catchment.
My role is to work alongside the group and support them through the program. So we've been working with the Conservation Corridor Trust out at Ginninderry. They've been working with the group during their practical components and teaching them all different areas that come under conservation and getting them that opportunity to get out hands-on and actually see the environment and learn from people experienced in the field.
Before the program I was unemployed, been working as a gardener most of my life. Since starting the program I've started a traineeship with the Ginninderry Conservation Trust.
I started out as a head chef, COVID came and it sort of made me want to get my white card and asbestos card and needed a change. So that's why I jumped onto the Sparks JobTrainer.
By working with the Trust, the group has learnt more in depth about how we manage our waterways, how we are protecting our riparian zones, and we have some farm dams that we've been fencing, protecting from cattle influence and protecting the native vegetation on the riverbanks and farm dam banks. That's a really innovative thing that the Trust has been doing.
The program has helped me out of a small domestic world with a view to getting into the workforce, but it's done more than that, it's trained me.
Machines are fun. There's like a good variety of stuff to try out and drive around.
Got a lot of experience, like working together as a team for the first time, learning lots of timber skills, how to use different hand tools.
At CRT in the timber work, we volunteered at Flyer to build some planter boxes. We've built some bench seats for out at Ginninderry. The experience, the getting out on site, the doing it, and having the teachers from CIT and the support from Spark to get out and do it is a good way to learn.
This year we are thrilled to once again be collaborating with the Canberra Institute of Technology and the Ginninderry Conservation Trust on this amazing Spark JobTrainer Conservation and Horticulture Taster program. This program was made possible thanks to Skills Canberra and the JobTrainer funding, which is a joint initiative of the Australian and ACT governments.
It's really excellent because we get a lot of support for the students coming through. It's just great to work with a bunch of keen people to get them onto these programs and just finding different avenues for them to work in.
Spark is this wonderful program that really supports them from the beginning all the way to the end. They have the opportunity to try all these new things as well as getting an experience across a range of different areas. There's nothing quite like it, and I find that the Sparkies, when they come into the field, are more enthusiastic because they have more support and more hands-on experience. And a lot of that comes down to Rachel for her amazing efforts in supporting the team to get through their studies.
Spark support, I've noticed with most of it being you popping in with the snacks was more of a look, I'm here. Very open to us going, hi, how you going? So it's nice to keep that connection. I've never experienced anything like this and I really appreciate it.
I want to say thank you for your support, special to Rachel and Mel and the Spark program. And I think that the teacher like Lee, Blake and Michael, they are so very kind people, and I think that they are excellent teachers.
Rach, she's been my main source of information and learning so much about relocation, weeds, the management of pests, animals.
Found Michael, Lee and Blake really great, really supportive throughout. Mel and Rach are really fantastic. They made everyone feel, comfortable throughout the whole thing. We're continually checking on everyone throughout the course.
I would actually like to get into the horticultural industry, like get into the gardening part and open the doors and get like a second skill.
I'm very happy to attend this, and maybe in the future I will complete this course by following the other sessions.
So we've recently hired one of the Spark students, Lee, in an Aboriginal traineeship program, and we're really excited to see how he progresses with us in the future.
I'd just like to say a huge congratulations to you all. I'm so proud of you all for how far you've come, and I'm really excited to support you on the next steps of your journey.
Make sure you all come back to do the full-time course.
Well done on all your hard work and good luck in the future.
You have done an amazing job and we can't wait to see what your future holds.